Logs are an essential part of managing and maintaining your WordPress website. They provide valuable insights into your server, allowing you to monitor and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. The Rapyd Dashboard Logs section helps you to keep track of various activities on your site. In this tutorial, I will introduce you to the different types of logs available and how to use them effectively. I am on the Logs section on my site. And to get here, from your Rapyd Dashboard, click on the site you want to manage, then click on Tools, then Logs. And you will be directed to this page with all of your site logs. As you can see, we categorize these logs into server logs, database logs, and Redis logs. Just click on each tab to view the logs. Under the server logs, we added this drop-down menu so you can filter different types of server logs on your site. We have the access logs, cron logs, PHP error logs, platform audit logs, server error logs, and standard error logs. Here you can see the total number of logs for each log type. You can also change the date here if you want to view logs from a specific date in the past, or search for a specific log by keyword using the search bar. Download or clear all logs using these options. If you click Clear All Logs, a pop-up will appear to confirm that you want to clear all logs on your site. And at any time, you can click on this refresh button to see any newly generated logs. Below these options are your site logs themselves. Clicking on the View icon under Log Details will show a pop-up with the complete log details and the option to copy it. As you can see, this is a very powerful tool to view and manage your site logs. Accessing logs is important when trying to debug any issues that may arise on your WordPress site. Our Dashboard's Logs section provides you with the tools you need to monitor, troubleshoot, and optimize your site's performance.